Welcome back. Benvenuti into my kitchen. You're listening to 101 Ways to Transform the Way You Cook. This is episode 10, which is called Takeout. So I'm going to read to you a little bit on the ebook, and then we're going to talk a little bit like we've been going. This is creating the framework into our mindset to help us to understand why we do certain things until we get into the beautiful, luscious, delicious part of cooking, okay? Great. Certain people don't even have pots, pans, plates, or even food in their fridge or pantry. They live totally on takeout. Takeout is okay sometimes. However, in some cases, we could develop health issues. Then we will need to spend the most of our money looking after ourselves. Let's do this together, taking up the challenge of becoming a better cook, the higher cook. We all have that. It's allowing that cook within to open up and to grow and expand and learn different ways. So this one is about takeout. I know a lot of people who don't have pots and pans, plates, not even cutlery. They don't have anything. They live solely on takeout. Yep, you heard me. They live solely on takeout. Now that's okay, but it's not fresh. And I'm not saying that you can have some. I read about this guy who was doing Subway for a whole year and lost that amount of weight in over a year just eating Subway that was on Oprah years and years ago. That's fine, but we can develop health issues if we don't eat seasonal produce, things that are food that is required for our body to become healthy and to grow and to nourish itself. Like we live from seasons. I only cook with what's in season. I'll go into that a little bit deeper as we talk about seasons, but seasonal produce is important because there's a reason for it to come into that season and develop the nourishment that the soil gives it, the farmer gives it, and the season gives it, because it's meant to be just for that season. And we talk about how, we want strawberries in the middle of winter when strawberries are a summer thing. And it's the anticipation and the excitement of knowing that that season brings you and that you can cook and that you can eat. Summertime, the stone fruits, the beautiful, delicious peaches and nectarines are in season. Now we've got nectarines in this winter. They're from the USA, and who knows how long that it took to get here. Don't even get me started there. That's like, I'll do this better. No. Eat what the land gives you. But the land, our Australia, is wide, open country. My favourite poem was, I love a sunburned country, a land of sweeping plains, of rugged mountain ranges, of droughts and flooding rains. I love her far horizons, her beauty and her sea. The land, I think I've forgotten the rest of the land of treasure is the wide, big land for me. I love that poem. I don't know it all, but just that poem, the way that it expands about our beautiful country, Australia, and what we have, the rich, beautiful soil and the agriculture and the farmers that they cook for us and we get takeout, that's fine for them. But is it for you? Is it for me? No. We've got to eat healthy. Remember, prestige car. Are you a prestige car? Good, beautiful car. You put the beautiful V8, delicious lubricant, oil and petrol for you to run smoothly. And that's what food is about. Food is nourishment to the soul, to the body. No pots, no pans, no plates, no nothing. Yes, I do know people. Honestly, I do them. I do know them. Then we can spend the rest of our lives running to get our health back in order. Why not now? Today, let's do this together. Let's start redirecting the pathway of eating nourishing food. You love organic? I love organic. I am #1 fan of organic. I at home eat nothing but organic. And in my restaurant, I try and put as much organic that I can. And when I do cooking, my Sicilian masterclasses, I only use organic produce, only DOC products that are #1, rich, live rich, eat rich. That's #1. My father and grandfather used to say all the time, eat like a king and a queen. Even if it's just small moderation, but eat like a king and queen, because it'll nourish your body and your mind and your health, and everything around you will just move better. Your body will be better. Your mind will think better, clearer. Right? I hope you've enjoyed this one. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram. Like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd love you to follow. I'd love to keep going with you on this beautiful journey. We've got so much to explore and uncover together of 101 ways. Ciao.